Ever feel as though your money vanishes more quickly than you could acquire? Alternatively, you can be bored with living pay to eat and question why saving seems unattainable. Well, what do you suppose? Managing your money doesn't have to be frightening, dull, or like a math lesson you skipped. Yes, that includes you. Today, we're dissecting everything into easy, doable actions everyone can take. Stay around, since by the conclusion of this video, you will know exactly how to take control of your money without sacrificing your beloved coffee or that small online shopping indulgence. Allow your money to work for you. Number 1. Start with a money mindset. Your financial life is built on your attitude. Your behavior will be shaped whether you see money as a continual cause of stress or something you will never have enough of. First, start by noting your possible limiting beliefs. Do you think money is bad or that you're incapable of handling it? Swap unfavorable ideas for powerful ones like money is a tool to achieve my dreams or I can learn to manage money wisely. Create well-defined, doable objectives that motivate you. For instance, I want to save $5,000 for an emergency fund in the next 12 months, rather than I want to save money. See for you what financial success looks like. Perhaps it's debt-free living, house ownership, or travel freedom. Combine this image with affirmations, such as reminding yourself that, with careful and intentional management of money, it flows to you. A good attitude changes your approach to every choice and facilitates the adherence to long-term behaviors. Number 2. Know your financial practices. Often, your spending patterns run automatically. First, you have to become conscious of them if you want to take control. Consider first your connection with money. Did your childhood home always be tight financially, or where extravagance was the norm? These early encounters help to define your mature financial behavior. Sort your financial behavior into groups to examine it. Do you indulge under stress? Do you avoid, out of anxiety, reviewing your bank account? Once you see trends, pay special attention to little doable adjustments. If you usually overspend on dining out, for instance, start by establishing a limit and increasing your frequency of home cooking. Know why you make the financial decisions you do, emotional, social, or strictly habitual, helps you to modify them for the better. Number 3. Track your spending. Monitoring your expenses is like doing an X-ray of your financial situation. It highlights the state of your money practices. Start by noting every single transaction you make over the next month, from morning coffee to a quick snack to monthly memberships. Use basic spreadsheets, Mint, YNAB, or You Need a Budget, or another tool. Seeing where your money goes can open your eyes. Most people undervalue the money they pay for little daily needs. For instance, 3 times a week, lunch at $10 comes to $120 a month. Once you have the numbers, classify your spending, savings, discretionary items like entertainment and utilities and rent. Better judgments will come from this insight. The objective is not to exclude all you enjoy, but rather to match your expenditure to what is really important to you. Number 4. Develop a reasonable budget. Consider a budget as your financial GPS. It guides you towards your goal. First, figure your whole monthly revenue. List your fixed expenses, that is rent, utilities, auto payments, and insurance. Next, track then varying spending like dining out, grocery, and entertainment. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment is a decent general guideline. Your budget, though, has to represent your reality. If you enjoy dining out, instead of attempting to cut it out entirely, budget a sensible amount for it. Based on your expenditure trends, make monthly changes here. A budget is a fluid tool that changes with your financial circumstances. It is not fixed. Following it can help you to see development towards your objectives and feel more in charge of your money. Number 5. Create an emergency fund. Unpredictable life means that unanticipated costs can ruin even the finest financial planning. An emergency fund is hence not negotiable. Aim first for saving at least 3 to 6 months worth of living costs. Start with a lesser goal, perhaps $500 or $1,000 if that seems excessive. To simplify things, automate your savings. Arrange a monthly transfer from your checking account to a separate savings account. Handle it like though you have to pay a bill. An emergency fund is your financial safety net for actual crises, including auto repairs, medical bills, or job loss. It is not for shopping or vacations. Knowing you are ready for life's curveballs helps you to relax and provides peace of mind from having this reserve in place. Number 6. Strategically pay off debt. Although debt can be a great weight, you can properly handle it with a strong plan. Beginning with all of your debts, including credit cards, student loans, and personal loans, along with their balances and interest rates, start with the snowball and avalanche methods, are two often used strategies for debt reduction. Making minimum payments on the others, the snowball approach concentrates on initially paying off the smallest debt. Roll that payment into the next lowest loan to start momentum after the smaller obligation is paid off. Conversely, the avalanche approach gives debt with high interest rates top priority, so saving more money over time. The secret in any approach you decide upon is constancy. While you are working on repayment, avoid adding more debt. Instead, think about negotiating reduced interest rates with your suppliers. By means of commitment and a well-defined strategy, you will release yourself from debt and take charge of your financial destiny. Number 7. Organize your money automatically. For handling finances, automation is revolutionary. Arrange monthly bill payments, transfers to your savings account, and even automatic investments. This guarantees you're giving your financial goals top priority without always thinking about it, lowers your chance of late payments, and regularly raises your savings. To save 10% of your income every month, for example, arrange an automatic transfer to your savings account the day your pay arrives. To prevent late fees, similarly arrange autopay for subscriptions, utilities, and rent. Automating helps you stay disciplined without additional effort by removing the temptation to spend money set for other uses. Number 8. Start saving for retirement. When it comes to creating wealth, especially for retirement, early time is among the most effective weapons. Thanks to compound interest, your money will increase more rapidly the earlier you begin saving. Every dollar you save today will increase over time, so transforming modest donations into a significant nest egg even if you're young and retirement seems like a far-off future. Over the years, even little gifts can have a significant impact. Assuming a 7% average annual return, investing $200 a month beginning at age 25 might, by the time you reach retirement age, develop into over $500,000. The secret is consistency. Automatically make your retirement contributions and raise them little by little as your income rises. Try to raise your savings rate annually by 1 to 2% if at all possible. Beginning early allows you to benefit from compound growth. That is, from your earnings beginning to pay interest on themselves. Though retirement seems far off, keep in mind that starting early will help you save less each month to meet your objectives. Number 9. Spread your income among several sources. Particularly in unpredictable economic times, depending just on one source of income might be dangerous. Diverse income sources help you attain your goals faster, lessens your reliance on one wage, and offers financial stability. Beyond your day employment, seek ways to make money in several ways. Start by noting your passions, hobbies, or abilities that might be side projects or companies. If you are a skilled writer, for instance, you may establish a blog or work freelancing. Whether it's handcrafted goods, jewelry, or artwork, if you have artistic abilities, you might market your work online. From ride-sharing apps to virtual help, the gig economy presents lots of ways to augment your income. Investing is yet another excellent approach to vary your income. Passive income can be produced by real estate investments, dividend-paying equities, or peer-to-peer lending. Although these choices need an initial outlay, over time they can generate consistent cash flow. Side projects don't have to be just about money. Pursuing a passion or skill in your free time can also provide gratification and keep you inspired. Whether your business is full-time or you are making it a little additional money, diversifying your revenue sources helps you to be in a better financial situation and lessens the effect of unanticipated financial losses. Number 10. Learn about investing. One of the most crucial instruments for creating wealth is investing. Hence, you need to educate yourself first. Though mastering the fundamentals will help you make better financial decisions, the world of investing might appear frightening. First, start with grasping fundamental ideas including equities, bonds, mutual funds, and index funds. Purchasing index funds will let you invest in a wide spectrum of firms without selecting particular stocks. Allows one of the most novice investors to start their journey. Usually low-cost index funds have a track record of consistent returns and require minimal upkeep. Steer clear of trying to pursue the newest trends or time the market. Emphasize long-term plans instead. Regardless of the state of the market, dollar-cost averaging is a fantastic approach for consistent over-time investment. Whether the market is rising or down, this method entails making a certain amount of consistent investments. Growing more at ease with investing, you can venture into other fields such as bonds, real estate, or individual stocks. The secret, though, is to keep your long-term objectives in front of you and avoid allowing temporary market swings to trip you. Neither do you have to have a lot of money to begin investing. Over time, even little amounts, $50 or $100 a month, can accumulate up. Many investment sites let you start with little money, and there are lots of free tools and courses to help you discover the trade-offs. Early start and persistent behavior help you to lay a strong basis for your financial future. Managing your money is about making progress rather than about perfection. Never stop studying, keep motivated, and see your financial path develop. If you find this video useful, mark it with the thumbs up and forward it to anyone who could require a little financial additional push. To never miss out on more ideas to help you live your best financial life, also make sure you press the subscribe button and turn on the alert bell.